friends, in this video I'm going to share with you my exclusive peanut butter recipe. This recipe is exclusive because it is savory and is not available from all stores. Has to be homemade and handmade. You have to really give a try to this savory peanut butter. It's so yummy. After tasting this peanut butter, I've always preferred my peanut butter savory rather than sweet. Making savory peanut butter is pretty simple, made with only 4 ingredients. That is roasted peanuts, an extra virgin olive oil or any other cooking oil, dried red chilies or cayenne peppers, and salt. That's it. First, dry fry the red chilies with a few drops of oil. When roasted and slightly brown, blend to a fine powder. Next, roast the raw peanuts. Use best quality peanuts for this purpose. Here I am using a Tefal Acti-Fry Express to fry my peanuts. I find using the air fryer to roast peanuts is less of a hassle than doing it on the stove. The Tefal Acti-Fry comes with a turning paddle. This is convenient as I don't have to turn the peanuts while cooking. You may also roast the peanuts in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes, stirring halfway through. For 300 grams of peanuts, I am using 1 teaspoon of canola oil. The peanuts will be fried to a golden brown in 11 minutes in this air fryer. Peanut butter, the good, great source of protein. 100 grams of peanut butter contains 25 grams of protein. High in monounsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acids are the good fats. Rich in vitamins and minerals. High in plant sterol and phytochemicals like antioxidants. Peanut butter, the bad, high in fats. Could be a source of aflatoxins. Mold grows easily on nuts, especially when exposed to moist environments. Common allergen. Peanuts are one of the top 10 allergens that can induce rash in some people. Remove the skin of the roasted peanuts by squashing them with the hand. The skin comes off easily after roasting. I prefer to use peanuts without skin to make my peanut butter because the color is lighter, but really it makes no difference in taste with or without skin. Now, the final step would be to throw all the ingredients into a food processor or dry food blender, whichever is available, and just let it do its thing. Here I have used 300 grams of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of powdered roasted dried red chilies. All the ingredients in this recipe is dry and roasted, making its shelf life last longer. This is what it looks like after 30 seconds. Pretty much ground nuts. Peanuts have a high oil content And when you grind them, they release the oil slowly and become a paste. This is what it looks like after 1 minute. The nuts are much more finely ground and they are starting to stick to the outside of the bowl. This is what it looks like after 2 minutes. The peanuts have broken down and has become a very thick paste. We are almost there. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and continue to process. The amount of oil depends on your preference. If you want your peanut butter thinner, add more oil. For a spreadable consistency, 1 tablespoon is enough. Starting to look like peanut butter now. We have hit the peanut butter jackpot. For chunky peanut butter, add 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground or roughly chopped roasted peanut and mix well. This spicy, sticky concoction is so flavorful and yummy. Slather onto your freshly baked bread and have a guilt-free meal. Diabetic-friendly peanut butter. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your savory peanut butter.